Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be really fun. It is going to be a Bed Bath & Beyond haul. What a fun way to start the new year. And it is January 1st, so that's why my tree is still up, but it's going to come down very soon because I'm having a New Year's Eve dinner party, or a New Year's dinner party, because obviously New Year's Eve passed, but I'm having a New Year dinner party on Saturday. So it will be coming down, making room, and I'm going to be decorating all for New Year and everything. But today's video is a Bed Bath & Beyond haul. They so graciously gave me a gift card for $500 to buy whatever I wanted, and so I got some really fun stuff, things that I have been dying for a long time. So I'm super grateful to them. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. The links for everything will be down below as well. So thank you so much to Bed Bath & Beyond, and if I can get a coupon code for you guys, it will be down below as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. So the first thing in my haul, it's a little messy right now because I just got back and I have already purchased some alcohol for my party on January 6th. I'm having a party for all my friends, kind of like a New Year dinner party. So I already decorated this and I have some more alcohol and stuff on it, and I will be kind of fixing it up once the day of the party comes. But anyway, I also did a video. I did a full video showing you guys everything that's on here, as well as kind of like how to decorate your bar cart situation. So please wait till you ask questions about where I got everything. That video will come after this one, a full bar cart video showing you guys an in-depth tour of everything on the bar cart, as well as where you can get everything. But the bar cart itself will be linked down below. So I love this bar cart so much. It's gorgeous. It is a really pretty kind of antique-y gold color. It's so beautiful. I love that it has the sides here that protects everything and like prevents things from falling out of it, because some of them don't have anything here, and I feel like things can fall out, and you know, something that you're gonna have glass on, you don't want to have, you know, free. I love the design of this so much. It has like really beautiful angles because you have some circular, you also have some square, some just really beautiful shapes, and it just goes with so much decor, different decor. I love it so much. And then down here you do have 3 little holes for wine bottles or any bottles that fit in there, which I love. But then you basically just have open space to really just do whatever you want. I have been obsessed with my bar cart. Every single day I look at it, I get so happy. I had so much fun decorating it, and I will say up close it doesn't look, I guess the quality of it, the finish doesn't look as expensive as it is, I will say. But everything else about this bar cart definitely screams luxury. So I really love it. I definitely think it's worth the money. It's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it, and I will be taking care of it so I can have it for a really long time. I am obsessed. It's perfect. I just love it. I love the open space, but at the same time, it's thin enough to put in different areas of your apartment if you live in an apartment like I do. It's beautiful. It's the perfect little piece to put next to your dining room table or put against a wall. Oh my God. I love it so much. And like I said, I did a whole video where I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated it and where everything is from. So please wait for that video. It is so cute. I love it so much. So I'm in my bathroom, so sorry if the lighting is not perfect, but the next piece we have here is for the bathroom. It is this really pretty storage kind of unit that you put over your toilet, and I'm not going to show the toilet and everything because that's not cute, but it basically just goes all the way down to the floor, and it has a shelf here obviously, and then it is literally a beautiful cabinet. I just have some decor on top of there, and it is so pretty. I love the design of this. I think I'm going to replace the knobs with like glittery knobs, but these are the knobs it comes with. Just some simple silver hardware, which is perfect for the bathroom. It just feels very clean and spa-like, and that's kind of the vibe in my bathroom. It's very beachy, very spa-like. I love it so much. So down here we have some different towels. I have some white towels here, some smaller white towels, gray towels, navy towels, my little seashells as my decor. So when we open it up, I just have regular kind of stuff in here. The norms, micellar water, face sprays, some perfume, wipes, my babe's face stuff, body wipes, toilet tissue, toner, some face masks, just your regular kind of stuff. Febreze, Aquaphor, Jergens, just some regular stuff that you would put in your little medicine cabinet or storage. I absolutely am obsessed with this piece. I love it so much. It's beautiful. It looks really good. It looks like really good quality. Sometimes you guys know how you'll go to those, like, you know, buy everything stores, you know, those stores we go to that everything is like cheap, but you get what you pay for, and like sometimes the paint job will be really shitty and like it'll start, you know, chipping really quickly, or like the hardware will be kind of wonky, or like when you close it, it doesn't close properly. You guys know what I'm talking about. This one doesn't feel like that. It feels like you're getting what you pay for, and I really love it, and I really recommend. Next thing I picked up is this Peace, Love, and Aroma Therapy oil set. It is a 8-9 piece set of oils for 30 bucks. Usually sets like these are a lot more expensive, or normally one of these little essential oils would be like $10-15 on their own. If you Amazon or Google them, you will see they get expensive. And I love aromatherapy. I have a diffuser slash aromatherapy thing slash humidifier. I'll show you guys. And we love to use these to go to sleep, and sometimes I leave them on all day. I'll put in peppermint in the morning, and it just really revitalizes you, and it also works as a humidifier next to the bed. It just really puts you to sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, or if you just want to have a better quality sleep, I really recommend these. And I thought that this set was wonderful, and they smell so good. So you get a bunch of different scents. You get a sap room blend. So you get eucalyptus, peppermint, lemongrass, lavender, citrus bloom, morning bliss. Sorry that I'm not in focus. And lemon zest, which is for stimulation and having a productive day. So I really recommend these. I'll take one out so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is my little aromatherapy. You put the water in there. Then you just put, I like to put a lot of drops, and you see the oil on the top. And then I like to just mix it into the oil. This is the Spa Room blend. It smells so good. And then I just turn on the diffuser. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the actual aroma coming out. Oh my God, it smells so good. It literally smells like a spa. And I'll leave you guys this diffuser down below if you want to check that out as well. But speaking of diffusers, the next thing I picked up is a humidifier. We have it right kind of in between the living room and our bedroom. This is the doorway right here, and it really keeps the entire apartment nice and humidified. So I have it on right now. I just filled it up with some water, and I have it on so you can see it is starting to let some of the, you can see right here, the steam that's coming out of it. It's nice, warm, wet steam. If you put your hand over, you feel the wetness in your hand. It really gets the job done. It lasts for 12 hours straight. The only thing about this, like I said, is it only lasts 12 hours. There are other humidifiers that might look a little better, even though to me this one really doesn't look bad. It's really simple, sleek. My only thing is that I have to say, you cannot put this like in a little corner of the room. The humidity will not get out into the air. You have to put it like in the center of your bedroom or living room, wherever the air circulates. And that's why I put it here, because the fan is right next to it. So when I get hot, I'll put the fan on, and then that kind of also helps this air circulate. And also at night, it's next to the bed, but it's also facing the living room and the rest of the apartment. But for 30 bucks, this really gets the job done. I would not recommend getting something more expensive. Antonio and I both suffer from allergies, in the sense that like our noses or our faces and skin and stuff will get really dry. Ooh. And you guys know I have asthma, so just having that nice humidified warm air circulating in my apartment just really helps this time of year. I was very dry this winter, like painfully dry. I was waking up in the middle of the night in pain. I couldn't swallow, I couldn't breathe. My nose was so dry, it hurt. I couldn't swallow in the mornings. I would wake up in the middle of the night and like literally put water up my nose, down my throat, just to get through the night. I was like, I cannot deal with this anymore. So when we got that, it changed everything. I feel so much better. Antonio gets a lot of nosebleeds, and this really helps him. I mean, it has made such a difference. So if you suffer from dry nose, please this $30 humidifier will change your life. 30 bucks is nothing. You will have a better night's sleep, promise. Okay, so the next piece I picked up is this gorgeous lamp. So this is the bottom of the lamp. It has that antique gold color, and the lampshade is like a nice white, creamy, simple kind of color. So this is what the inside of the lamp looks like. And again, the lampshade. And I loved this detail here where the knob and the light actually is. I loved this cool like step looking detail. It's not really like, what's the word, it's not actually flexible. Like, it looks like it would be, like you'd be able to kind of maybe slide the light back and forth, but it's not. It really does just stay like that. But I thought that it was such a cool design, and I needed just another light source in my bedroom because we actually don't have a light on the ceiling in this room. So for us, we just have 2 lamps, and I wanted to replace this one. So I got this one, but then I was like, well, I like having 2 sources of light. So I did keep that one. I think I might get another one of these and have 2 on both sides to just give symmetry. I love this so much. I will say though that it doesn't give the brightness that a different light would give you. This shade, it does kind of dull a lot of the brightness. So if you need really bright light, this might not be the right light for you. I'm gonna turn off the other light just so you guys can see what the shade looks like without another light source. So this is how it looks on its own. If you guys see the difference, this is how the light looks on its own. You can see it is illuminating, you know, this area. If you put your hand right here, you will be illuminated, but it doesn't go much farther than that. So this is more of a bedside lamp, or a nook lamp, or a reading lamp, if that kind of makes sense. Anywhere where you just need a little bit of light, maybe for an office desk, that would be kind of the most ideal, being that it has this design. I think if you were to be doing homework right here or working or something, this would be the perfect lamp for that. It wouldn't be really to illuminate an entire room. So my mistake, but I don't regret it. It's beautiful. I love it. It is on the heavy side. It feels really good quality, especially for the price. I think that if you were to go to a more, you know, upscale, fancy furniture store, this lamp could run you a few $100s, and this one is literally under $100, and I really, really love it. So again, thank you to Bed Bath & Beyond for basically sponsoring this video. I wasn't paid for this video, but I did receive all of these items with the gift card that they gave to me, so thank you so much to them. Really, really appreciate it. I've always loved Bed Bath & Beyond, but I think this shopping experience kind of gave me a little bit more of a lust for it because they had so many cute things. They had a lot of great sales. I wanted to get an Nespresso machine, but I was like, I want that bar cart. But I will be going back because they had a lot of great sales. They had a lot of cute home decor, and I never think of Bed Bath & Beyond when it comes to home decor, but I was like, ooh, I need to come back here for home decor. So I'm so happy with all my purchases. My humidifier has changed my life. My bar cart, I'm so happy with. Every time I wake up and I see it, I get so happy because it just makes me feel like I live just a really fancy life. It makes me so happy. So I'm really grateful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything I showed you will be linked down below. I will also leave what I'm wearing down below, whatever I can remember while I'm watching the video to leave down below for you guys. And again, my bar cart video, styling video, will be coming with info on the entire bar cart, but the actual bar cart itself is also going to be linked down below, or it is linked down below. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and of course, stay glam.